Do I need to say more? SuperThings Legends unboxing part. Remind me what part we're on. Well, let's just start. Mystery bag. If I can get it open, that is. Right. We've got Series 3 and a Series 5. Yeah. They're stuck together like how they put them on the Mega Factories did up to Series 8. Oh, we've got Bucky Button. Second one of the video, except in blue. Checklist. Woo! Add them to the pile of madness. What's this? Right, I'm gonna guess. It honestly feels like super soft, but it can't be. If it's super soft, I'm gonna lose the plot. Oh, is it? Oh, it's Chic Force. Yes, because I need it. Because I lost mine in that colour. Bonk. There's the vehicle. Super slider. Chic Force. In fact, you know what? I'm just gonna put them in my Series 3 display up there now. Why not? Woo! Right, I'm coming back to Earth. What have we got here? Nobody knows. Let's go. Oh, we've got another Series 9. Right, let's start with that. Second Series 9 of the video. I'll open them this way. I'm gonna be like every YouTuber in a thumbnail. Right. Oh, they're red. Right, what's this? I'm not looking. Oh, this is Megabyte, isn't it? Oh no, it's the keyboard face. Oh, I've been mugged off now. Right, Series 5. Be nice if we get the gold aero wagon, or just a gold. I haven't got a gold yet, but I have got an ultra rare. Oh, we've got Polar. I think I actually might need him in this colour. Nice. Oh, Flash. Okay. Right, I've been called for tea, so I am going to have to finish this video, then go for tea.